Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Seriously Ramen Hack Wednesdays. I almost forgot that I had to do one, so we're gonna do something really quick. We're gonna be making a Ramen Pad Thai. Yes, Ramen Pad Thai, and no, we're not using peanut butter. No, we're not using ketchup. No, we're not doing that. We're making a delicious sauce from scratch, and it's gonna be super tasty, so come and join me. Let's go ahead and get started. We have a long list of ingredients here. Do not be intimidated. We've got our bean sprouts, tamarind, rock sugar, an egg, garlic. We have a lime for garnish, some garlic chives or scallions, fish sauce, an onion, and some packets of instant noodles. Begin by placing some tamarind and placing boiling water on top of it. We're gonna squeeze it out so it becomes a nice murky brown color. Discard the solids. Add rock sugar, add some fish sauce in there. You want sour and sweet and salty. Begin by slicing the small onion up, just like so, mincing your 4 garlic cloves, and in a pot of boiling water, we're gonna cook our instant noodles about halfway, so about a minute and a half. Chop some chilies up there, drain those noodles completely and place them aside. We're gonna need that later, obviously. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Swirl it around your wok or a large nonstick pan. Add your egg in. Begin to swirl that around the pan. And then we're going to push things to the side and add in all of those chopped ingredients. So the onion, the Thai chilies if you want it spicy, and your scallions there or your garlic chives. Stir fry that up on over high heat. Push it to the side and add in your sauce. Look at that fire there. Yes. Mix it all together. And of course, add your partially cooked instant noodles. You want it to be able to soak up that sauce there. So toss it like so. Lastly, add in your bean sprouts here. Give it one final toss. And yum. Voila. Here we have it. Garnish with some fresh cilantro, Thai basil, and of course some fresh squeezed lime. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!